Hi, I'm Gourav. Yeah, today we're going to learn Endnote. So this is the website of Endnote, endnote.com. You can download it from here. Like today we're going to learn the basics and how to integrate Endnote with Microsoft Word. So first of all, you have to come to this website, and as this is not a free software, you have to pay for it. Like if I click this button, it will show me the different prices of the uh, licenses. So you have to pay for it, or there are like two options. Either you can pay for it, or like you can get it from your institution as well. Like if you're doing your thesis, like you're doing a postgrad, grad, or PhD or anything, like you are studying in an institution, and if your institution owns a end of license, it can provide it to their students as well. So you just have to request for the license to your institution. They will give you the license, and you just have to click the link, put the license number like with your student ID and something like that, and it's so simple like that. You just have to install it. You just click the install button, install it, and that's all. So after the installation, when you first enter the Endnote software, you will get like these types of interface. So this is the toolbar, like file, edit, reference, group, tag, library, tools, window, help. And here is some other toolbar as well. We will get into it within a very few time. So like why do you use Endnote, right? So we use Endnote to you know integrate our study material, the reference file, the literatures, uh, with our own article, right? So when we are going to use a note, it means like we will have our own format of a group site for our literature with different article. So to do that, even for me it's not only for the for my reference article, or like for my article only. If I use a note also to like uh, categorize and like I can put my files here very easily, very comfortably. Okay, it gives me very ease to use these files. Like you will get into it. Like okay, first of all, we are going to import a file. Just click here, the file menu, import it, import option, like click the file, and there are like two options, file and folder. Like if you have a folder, and you all of the uh, you know related literature review or files or something like that have in a folder, you can just directly import the folder and you will get all of the files here. And but if you have a single literature review, like single file, single PDF or single RIS file, you can also import through this file option. So click the file option, choose this choose option, and keep one thing in your mind, like when you import a PDF file, okay, you must have to choose this PDF option. Like if you are going to import RIS file and you choose PDF file, it can't be imported, and vice versa. Same things works for the PDF as well. Like if we are going to import a PDF file, but this option is selected as RIS file, you whatever way you try to import it, it can't be imported. You must have to select this PDF option. After you select this PDF option, click this choose option. As I am working with biomimicry architecture, I have lots of literature review, research papers, blogs as well, and books of obviously on biomimicry. So I'm just going to import a literature review on biomimicry. Hopefully this will work. Okay, just click this, select the file and click open. Now click import. Okay, this is imported my file here. You can see this. Now the main thing for Endnote is like this option, right? This edit, and here is the edit option. There is the summary, edit, and PDF. So the PDF is like the file. You can see the file here as well. Even you can open this file from here, like right click on the file, open in PDF editor. You can see your file here. You don't have to go to the folder. You can see your file here. So okay, even you can just zoom in, zoom out here from here, and in edit option, uh, you have this author, year, title, journal, and everything, every other details of the article here. You can find it here. And for this URL, you have to put the URL for the blog post. It's of must. If you import a blog, if you want to reference a blog post, you have to put the URL of the blog here. So for the PDF, this is the title. Okay, I'm going to copy this title, copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Like this is not the proper title. I'm going to paste here, and I have to put the author name, and I have to put the date, year. Like it doesn't import it automatically, so I have to put it by myself. I This is author, copy, and paste. For year, probably it is in 2022, and just click save. And one more thing, like if you work with journal, it's okay to keep it journal, but if you are going to import a blog or something like that, or a book or anything, you can just select a different option regarding your file. So okay, just click the save option. As is channel, it changed it. See, it already changed the option. Now you can find your file here in the imported references. Now the main interesting thing I want to notice, like you can create different types of groups here. Here's two new group, and for my study I have already created some groups here. Here, see, for case study I created blog posts, books, uh, current issue, and different for different groups. I kept different references files. There are like 197 files right now in my Endnote. So these are the groups. Okay, so if you created a group, if you have just have to click the right uh, button of your cursor of your mouse, and you will get the create group. And then after creating a group, or like if you can even rename your group as well, even you can delete your group, uh, but be sure there are no imported file before deleting the group. Okay, so go to your imported references, import, put it here. Hopefully this will work. And yeah, this comes here. You can find all of your files here in this group. And one more thing, like this is the tag. Okay, so what do you mean by tag? As I said, I work with this biomimicry thing. I put different tags on different groups. Like I can show you. See, these are the tags. Like the different color of tags I can see. Like this color represent different thing. Like I have already created these tags: biomimicry, biophilic, building, case study, energy, art, and different things on. So if I want to just see the biophilic paper, I can find those things here. Again, if I want to see the energy related paper, I can see it here, and so on. Okay, and this is very much helpful for me. Okay, so here is our paper. So now let's move into Microsoft Word. So I have already put a passage from Wikipedia regarding my biophilic design. So this is the passage. I changed the layout of this page to A4 size. It's up to you. You just start writing your paper, and after you write your paper, or like in the meantime, when you like collected data from a paper, like for the like for this line, uh, like this line, assume it like got this definition of biophilic architecture from a renowned paper, or like the paper you already you just imported here, right? So you want to reference it in your paper, you just copy the title, and even you can just write your title there. Okay, it's up to you. I used to copy this title, went to my paper, uh, and after you install Endnote, you can find this Endnote option automatically in your Word. So go to the Endnote button, click this insert option, and obviously put your cursor at the end of the line before the full stop. Okay, and put it here like insert citation, and you can just Control V, find your article. Here is the references here. So the paper, they're like same two paper. So you just click the top uh, first top one, like maybe this one, or like yeah, okay, it doesn't matter. You just click one, insert it. See, it came it inserted into my article. So references. Okay. So when you put your references inside your paper, it will automatically appear. There also it will show the uh, larger, the detail thing of the paper, like the thing you already put it here, that right author, the year, the name of the paper. And this is basically, there are like different types of formatting for referencing article, and this is APA format, like American Psychological Association format. It depends on the requirement of your paper you're going to submit. It there are different requirements for different channels. See the submission criteria of your journal. Okay, so yeah, you can change the format anytime here, like here number, it will just show the number here, and you can choose, you can see the detail of the paper. So I'll put it as APA 7th. And now if you want to change the font of this reference, you just click the font, click the thing, change it from here. Okay, it will change the font as well. Thank you. So I think this will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding EndNote, the basics, what I have just show you, just put it in the comment box, or you can message me, you can mail me, anything, you just get to me. I will try to help you. Thank you.